So I started focusing on what direction my writing will be. And with me, if you look me up on LinkedIn, you're going to see how my career just skyrocketed up from being an accountant, bookkeeper, to an IT consultant. I mean, I could go into any system application and figure out how to run it, figure out how to fix it, find broken things, create reports, admin stuff, create documents, do anything a business needs, I can do. Click, click, click. I do it. Programming, coding, programming languages. Like, I'm a jack of all trades. I could get everything done. So with that, it's like, how did I become this person? I want to share with my community because I'm seeing my community change. It's instead of growing stronger, it's not growing in that way anymore. And what can I do to leave a legacy, especially for my grandchildren?